Did you ever feel that time is actually working for you and you might be the one who is actually working against it? If you ask me, I try to make myself feel that time is actually working for me, not against me, by doing something that will not remain a secret after this video probably. And you can see from the title what that thing is. Obviously, it involves clouds. Now, how do you do that? Well, I'm glad to share with you. Dear curious person, this is the place where I let my brain brew different thoughts and ideas that eventually becomes the videos you watch or the photographs that you might have seen on my Instagram. This is the place where I let my brain wander into the universe. I come here often when I'm either fed up with my lonely existence in the house or when I'm feeling extremely overwhelmed by the amount of work I have to do. I often come to this place when I'm either out of inspiration or when I'm fully overwhelmed by different thoughts that occupy my brain and makes me a little bit depressed or sad sometimes. So this is like a magical place to my brain. This is a place where I let my brain play around with as many different ideas and thoughts as possible. This place works like a magical charm that gives me a strange energy that forces me to believe that time is actually working for me and I am the one working against it. This same energy tells me how to be patient, and literally anyone can have this magical place. This is not like a certain thing that you have to buy or you have to do, It's a thing that is available to every single person on this planet for free, and they are clouds, sun, and the most beautiful thing they make when they combine together at sunset or sunrise. How you can connect that beautiful thing by nature to time? Well, let me tell you how. Now, to feel like time is actually on your side, all you gotta do is focus your attention on clouds or sun at sunset. Literally see how they are changing their shape very slowly. Notice how they are transforming into some other shapes. Notice how they are moving very slowly left to right or forward to backward. Notice all the little things as you can about the clouds, about the sun, about the light that shines on the clouds because of the sun. Notice the different color grades that sun provides when the sun is setting down or when the sun is rising up. And it's really beautiful, really beautiful. There are so many colors that sun leaks through clouds when setting down or when the sun is rising. That shit is so beautiful to see. It just gives you an immense inspiration to do something, to make something. The first inspiration that you might get might be of a painting, of writing a story, or I don't know. It has such a strong sense of creative energy logged inside it that you just can't surpass. It grabs you where you are sitting, where you are looking at, and then pulls you in if you let it. Some people might get bored pretty easily. Some people might not want to just lay down and watch the clouds and watch the sun set or sunrise. Some people have a lot of things to do. I know that. Some people are not free like me. But I really urge you to spend at least an hour without any distraction, just looking at the sunset or sunrise, looking at all the clouds that you can see in the sky, looking at how some clouds are very contrasting in shape while other clouds are dim in the background. If you do this every day, not even every day, if you do this weekly, you are going to start feeling patient towards life. Pick a day, at least a month, where you are not going to do anything, nothing at all, nothing, only eat and sleep. These are the only two things that you should do on a particular day. And trust me, your own mind will tell you to go look at the clouds because your mind is getting bored. And you are going to fall in love with it. And the day you are not going to do anything, that day will feel the longest. And the next day after that, you will feel like you have so much time on your hands that you can do so many things. You can build a company. You can do every single creative thing in the world. That is a really powerful feeling, trust me, and that can change your life as it has changed mine. And if you do all these things enough time, you will start developing new ideas, new thought processes in your brain that might eventually lead to a big idea that comes into your brain that might make you the next big entrepreneur, writer, painter, musician, or whatever, just because you watched clouds. this is the amount of power nature holds, to be honest. Most of my photos that I posted on Instagram and stories that I have shared on Instagram that I wrote by myself, these ideas came in my mind when I was looking at clouds, when I was looking at the sun setting or the sun rising. Like, it's a very beautiful feeling because it is kind of like a meditation of your thoughts, while at the same time it is not that boring as a meditation, you know. It might take a while to get addicted to it, but you will. You are going to get addicted to looking at clouds. People are going to see you as an insane person. Neighbors are going to talk about you that this guy literally just spends all this time looking up at clouds. So you're gonna have fun with it, and trust me, it's a really fun thing to do. I hope you do it, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you have already experienced something like this, tell me what was your experience. I will love to hear about it. So yeah, bye bye. I hope you enjoy.